How to make a pump effect in After Effects. This is a really nice effect to use for our edit. And this effect is really easy to do. You can use this effect for text, but you can also use this effect for a video layer. This effect works also pretty good with velocity. I will use as example a text layer. You need to make first a text layer. Type the text what you want and set it in the middle with a line. You need also set the anchor point in the middle of the text. This is really important to do. So now what we need to do is make keyframes. Make the first keyframe where you want the pump effect. Press on the layer and use the shortcut S for see the keyframes for scale. Make now the second keyframe close by the first keyframe and make the value 150. You can make the value also higher or lower if you want. And make the last keyframe close by the second keyframe. So what we need to do now is select all the keyframes and make it easy ease. And go to the graph editor. Set the graph editor on the edit speed graph mode. Make now your graph look like mine. Set now the motion blur on for making it a lot smoother. Here we go, now you have made a nice pump effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.